Hi, good afternoon. This is Stanley from Dicolor LED. It's very great to see you guys. And today I want to introduce you a very important model from Dicolor. This is called D-COB series. You can see there's a logo behind of this screen based on secondary encapsulation micro LED technology. You know, during the past, the high definition screens like 1.2, 1.5, the LED lamps is very easily to be damaged. But this kind of COB, we are doing a very special treatment on the surface of the LED screens, so it can be waterproof, and also you can clap on the on the LED surface. There's no damage on the LED screens lamps. I believe when you do the assemble and disassemble, this can, prolong the lifespan of the LED lamps. You cannot really damage the LED lamps because it is IP54. So we believe this is the best choice for high definition screens. Finally, if you want to know more details of this model, you can log on to our website www.dicolor.cn. I hope my explanation is clear for you. Okay, have a good night.